My name is Blanche Colazzo, and I'm here to show you how to use the master search to search on anything within Salesforce. So, to be able to search whether you want to add an account, a contact, um, as well as wanting to be able to see an opportunity. So, in Salesforce, no matter whether you're on the account, contact, or opportunity, you will always see this master search bar. I'm signed in as Nicole at the moment. You can see her name here, just so you can tell that whatever I'm doing here, you can do as well. So click into the master search, and let's just say you want to add an existing pharmaceutical company. You're not sure whether it's there. So know the name and address that you want to search on. You can search on anything. I'm going to look for Sigma Pharmaceutical. So when I put in a portion of the name, I can see that there's something that says pharma here. I can see that does not seem to be a Sigma Pharma account the way what I'm looking for, but always try to change it around a little bit to see and make sure that that account does not exist. Put in the legal name to kind of see if you find it. If you don't find it, most of the time it is not there. But you can also search on a name. So there's a contact that you're working with. Search on the name just to make sure that that contact does not exist. If not that contact, one of or more than one contact you can search on. So I can see in all of these areas that this account is not there and the contacts are missing. So in doing my search, this window pops up and you can search either here or here. But the only way to get here is to start your search in the master search. And when you find that that information does not exist, then you want to go back to the home button, and then you have on your left sidebar this create new where you can add the account. Okay, my next clip will talk about how to add that account. Thank you.